Oh, she looks like she's crying.
Go ahead, you walk by. So up and you're on the right? Anything I should know about her?
Yeah, it's extremely ridiculously straight. Like, I have pictures of her 2 years ago. She had a nice curve. Now she doesn't have it.
This on the right side here. Okay, how about pushing your shoulders here a little bit? That's gonna hurt a little bit.
Is he probably? What is he doing to her?
You're gonna adjust her in a minute.
Is it gonna hurt? What are you doing? Why is she scared right now?
Why would you?
Oh, you guys
Why would it hurt?
Why is she scared?
Huh?
Why is she scared?
He's putting pressure on her neck area right now.
What is she doing?
Perfect.
He's putting a lot of pressure on her neck, or on her shoulder, like
She's
right
gonna
here.
die?
Yes, I want Ace to kill my daughter.
Oh yeah, my friend's chiropractor said she like cracked her neck just like going like that.
What's different though? Cracking your neck is.
You're gonna talk. She's an exorcist.
Is that bad?
Yeah.
Okay, one more.
Thank you.
Yep.
That was so funny.
Here.
Oh, wait, what was that again?
It feels better.
How much better?
A lot.
There you go.